Hey, what's up, everybody? Kyle, she's in the house. Lady C, aka Lyric, in the house. Good evening, everybody. The two front runners here. Hopefully, you guys been long or catching some of this long here. Woo, looking for group. I love the enthusiasm. So excited, just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control, and I think I like it. That's straight out of a song, isn't it? Can't think of the name right now, but it makes sense. Hey, Keith Smith in the house. Good morning. Well, good evening from here, but good morning to you, buddy. Well, we're going up, guys. We're going up. The war is officially over. We'll find out on Monday. Iran says different than Trump. It's hilarious. Oh, great. Yeah, I know, right? What a move. I had the charts open and I was like, I'm just gonna let the first 5 minutes play out. I was like busy folding some laundry, and then I came back over and I was like, oh my god, what's happening here? So I ended up getting in long up here at just over 30,000, and I ended up making, I think I made about $800 in the first trade. I went in with 5. I added 5 micros on the pullback, and then closed it up like about 800. Then I made another 220 on another trade after that. I took one more trade after that, and I took a break even. That was on this Lucid Lucid Pro eval. And then I jumped in my Apex accounts. One of my Apex accounts here. This guy here. So I ended up going long 2 contracts down here at 23. Added one on this bounce. I thought we were going to rip. We didn't. We ended up playing around for a while. I added another one there. Then I was like waiting, and I saw us pulling back, and I thought, you know what? 30,000 is going to be the line in the sand. So I stuck another 5 contracts down here as an entry right at $30,002. Got tapped in on this candle. Took a little bit of drawdown in this one here, and then we just basically popped up, and I ended up closing this trade up 1577 and past one of my Apex evals here. So I have 3 of the 5 that I originally started with. This one has about 2,000 profit. This guy also has about 2,000 profit. So hopefully I'll end up passing these 3 accounts and get them all funded. Yeah, but so far I'm up, $1,000 in my one Lucid eval, and 1570 I passed this Apex guy. So pretty decent start to the week anyways. So you're getting ready for a pullback algo style? Yeah, at this point we need to wait for a pullback. I mean, it seems like it might just continue grinding up here, but I know my luck. As soon as I get long, it's going to pull back to VWAP, right? And then I'm going to have to wait through huge drawdown and possibly recover, right? So I think I need to be patient here, wait for a pullback sort of to VWAP. We do have this unmitigated fair value gap here at 30,100 area. So maybe that could be a potential entry, but we also have this 5-minute one back down at 30,060 area. So just going to have to be patient here. I don't really want to give back profits that I made earlier. So we'll try to be patient, wait for a pullback down to this area. Looks like we have orders still above at 30,250. So I'm going to open up Financial Juice here to see if I don't see anything from... I just saw the Trump tweet about how it's how they're removing. So Trump said Trump too soon confirm... Trump to soon confirm U.S. reaching accord with Iran, and then the deal with Iran is now complete, and then Trump hereby fully authorize a toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz, and simultaneously herewith authorized immediate removal of United States naval blockade. So I don't see any red folder news after that saying that Iran disagrees, but you lost your first 2 trades today, but the good news is that I get to go home in 3 days. Oh, right. Where are you right now? Was it you that got that new job, or am I thinking of somebody else? But you're gonna head home or something? Well, I'm short for the VWAP and the FIB and the MAs. Okay, I would be careful about shorting it too, though, guys. I mean, obviously trade your trade, but I'd be a little hesitant to be going short at this point, you know? If this continues, I mean, we might even see 30,000, 31,000 by the end of the day. No, you're in Taiwan? But where's home then? Or you're going home from Taiwan to a different place in Taiwan, or where's home? Hero Crypto, last Sunday you filled the form, but you didn't see your name. Can check the filled form. Let's see here. Yeah, I see your name. You're on there. Hero Crypto T1W. Hey, Red, how you doing? Oh, you're going back to Utah. Gotcha. Damn. Working in Taiwan, eh? Angia, hey, good morning, Angia. Good to see you. Good to see you. How are you? Hey, Zach, what's up? Cooking in the Philippines, 40 degrees. Damn, bro, you're still there? How much longer are you there for, Zach? Did you catch any banger lungs or what, buddy? You were on vacation in Taiwan and ended up tearing a muscle in your shoulder, had surgery and spent 4 days in the hospital? No way, really? Jesus. Why didn't you tell us earlier, buddy? I swear you were in the stream multiple days there. You never mentioned this at all. Good to hear, Red. Good to hear. Pretty good. Good. And yeah, how was your sleep? Hopefully you got a good one. Lots of hours. Where did Lady C go? Lady C, are you still here right now? Or should I just call you Lyric? If you are here, I just wanted to say your daughter is beautiful. You're blessed. And it's not what you guys think. It's not like that. She's a very young daughter. So don't take that the wrong way, people. Sounds like Toby from The Office when he got into ziplining accident out of the country. Oh, damn. Ouch. That sucks. If you guys haven't, you should check out Lady C's YouTube channel and stuff. She's a pretty amazing lyricist, actually. Toby, that's a good name, hey? I am still rolling on the bed, haha, but I'm gonna get up soon. Nice. Hey, enjoy it. I love rolling in the bed. Battlefield Recruit. Hey man, how you doing? Butcher, have you ever traded using a live account or just your own capital? Yeah, so when I first started trading futures back in early 2025, I just used my IBKR account. But I only had like a couple, like little over $2,000 in there. And the amount of margin that you need to have is pretty high, so I was only able to trade one micro at a time. So I ended up I think I lost about $400 out of that account, and then I moved on to futures. So not the best way to start. I wish I would have just went into futures, but I've been thinking more so about funding another account eventually and start trading it, sort of like copy trading it onto my other accounts or whatever. So Andrew Tate, so if you just hit the pinned comment there in the comment section above, like whatever the pinned comment there, you should get taken to the Discord. Then in the Discord there's a giveaway channel. Hit that channel, scroll to the top, and at the top of that has another pinned comment that has a form for you to fill out for tonight's giveaway. So just do that. What up, Butcher? Dump this scam already? Yeah, what's the scam? What's the scam, buddy? What's the scam here? Tell me. For everyone hating on his transition from male to female, please stop spreading hate. She can be who she wants. Okay, yeah. Okay. Battlefield. All right, buddy. Market is scamming us right now? Really? The Ponzi scam we all love to trade? Oh, yeah. Well, you can apply for intraday margin, though. It does cost way more to hold overnight. Are you talking about from IBKR FN trades? Hopefully you guys caught some of these longs. No, it's algos trading and very thin, no scam. No. Yeah, this is typical Asian market price action, right? After we got the news, a big pop up. So ES popped up pretty big though. We closed the market at 74.37. And then we reopened at 74.79. Wow. Trade for keeps. Hey, brother. Hope your weekend was good. Yeah, it was good. It was good. Thank you. Thank you. How was yours? Captain VIP trades. I'm doing good. Thank you. Good evening to you. Have you ever seen a war one so many times? No, this is my first time. But hey, I do have to admit that this is the first time that they actually said the agreement was signed. So we'll see if this is true or not. So Greg P, you caught a long earlier from 303.86 to 30,436. Wow. Oh, are you guys on the new contract already? Maybe I should be on the new contract, eh? Hi Dave, I purchased my first Lucid Pro 50K eval using your code. Hey, thanks Lee. Appreciate that. Appreciate the support there. Is there a new contract out, guys? Let me know if there's a new contract, because I don't know. What would it be? Because sounds like those numbers are a little different than from what I was seeing. NQU, gotcha. Okay, no wonder. Okay, I gotta quickly go and remove my update all my contracts here. Thanks for the reminder. I'm like, as soon as you guys said numbers like 30,400, I was like, what? What? This one has way more volume, yeah. Okay, so I got to get rid of some of these old contracts here. NQM, MNQ, YMM, MYMM, MES, ESM, RTYM. And then let's add these guys back in here. NQ, NQU, NQ, MNQU, yes, ESU, MESU, YM, YMU, MYMU, and what is it, RTY? I think I had that too. Is it RTYU? M2K, right? M2K. Actually, I'm not even going to put that one on there. That's good. Okay. So I'm going to move my certain tickers back down to the bottom here, like gold, get them out of the way, silver, and oil. Okay. Damn, that means I need to redo all my levels and everything. What the heck? What the heck? Oops. I just accidentally closed my one of my windows. That wasn't smart. History, 5 tabs, store window. Okay. Hopefully it didn't log me out. That means they're going to change all my Tradeovate accounts too? What the? NQ has automatically rolled to you, along with RTY, YM, ES on M's. Why don't you just use NQ1? Auto rolls over? Good question, good question. I don't know. I just always stick with the... I've always just used the other contracts, so... Gotcha. So I just got to quickly update my levels here. Bear with me for a moment. MES. MYM. MNQ. I like to make extra work for myself here, guys. You know? You know. Well, okay. Well, while we're waiting for a pullback here, let's just get all our levels set up here. So might as well put on my VWAPs here. That's the red one. Okay. We need our previous day's New York. Turn off the bands and make that one a blue. And then the previous day's VWAP. And that guy's a light blue. Okay, and then we go to our 30-minute time frame and turn on our session volume profile and do these levels up real quick. Even though these guys are not in play. Oh man, I have all those naked points of control that were set up on my other chart. This was previous day low. Previous day high. Point of control. Value area low. Value area high. Let's see. Let me get caught up on these comments. That way I don't have to redraw. Yeah, that's a good point, Zach. Maybe I should start doing that. Tristan, need one drop. Yeah, you looking for a pullback, eh? V Devil, 200 SMA is on fire right now. Nice. What time frame are you looking at for that? Sorry, Butcher, for making you do all the extra work. Hey, no worries. It's better. I got to get it done, right? They should auto roll you, but they don't. Yeah, it's just TradingView doesn't move it. So potential inverted head and shoulders on the 1 minute on MNQ. If it fails, it'll probably drop. All right, Nate, thanks for that. We should get around a 40-point pullback. Yeah, definitely. Oil's down to $80. That's always good news for my gas tank. James Bond in the house. What's up? Hello. Good to see ya. Hit the like button, y'all. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. I can see Kyle Shees. He wants that giveaway sooner than later. Just kidding. Just kidding. All right. Session volume profile off. Back to the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so I do have to quickly do my levels on ES on the other chart here. I'll just do it off the side so you guys don't have to watch. Hey, Facile, how you doing? Hello, all. My first time here. Hey, V Devil, welcome. Nice to meet you. Do likes decide when you do the giveaway? Usually we are targeting 100 likes to start for me to start working on the form, and then once we get to 120, we'll do the giveaway. Or 125. I don't know. Oil just tagged 80. Nice. Hard to find pullbacks tonight. Yeah, it hasn't been pulling back. If you do look at a smaller time frame, maybe you can try entries on these fair value gaps that we keep leaving. But there hasn't been very good pullbacks ever since we kind of had the initial pullback here. And that's kind of where I made my money. Was I targeted 30,100, which was on the old chart. This one is I would have been entered. I think my average price was somewhere around here, which would have been 317, and then I think I closed it at about 400 would have been on this chart. But the numbers were different from what I was trading because I was still on the old contract. I wonder if I could have made more money on this one. I don't know if it's like moving more or what, but maybe. Okay, let me just finish up these previous day high, previous day low, value area low, POC, okay, that one's good. So ES is done now. So I just got to do MYM here real quick. So you're rebuilding your account from 30 bucks after getting chopped up last week? Damn, bro. Well, good luck in there. Are you like you literally have $30 drawdown left? Is that it? You know, I've taken one account from $20 drawdown to a past account, which was the craziest comeback I've ever made, but that's pretty tough. And I was in a trade. I think I had like 100 or 200 drawdown, and then it went all the way almost to zero. Like it went to 20 bucks, and then it like recovered back to my entry price. And then I ended up making profit on that trade. And then that was kind of like, I kept winning a bunch of trades after that. So, oh, you lost 1900 last week. Oh shit. Sorry, bro. That's rough. How is the resident owl family? Oh, they're good. They're good. the mom and the three babies. Pretty good. Sinister. Hey, what's up? Hey, Butch. It's summer. Why the fireplace? Oh, what's good? Is there a setting in TradingView that auto syncs with the most recent monthly contracts? You never have to worry about being up to speed. Yeah, that's what Zach was saying. It's like NQ or MNQ 1. MNQ 1, I guess. I just realized that if I'm in the vertical chat and I put your guys' comment up, it like covers my face. I wonder how if I can change the layout like that. Anyways, I usually don't. Ralph's doing all right. He's good. He had his dinner. He's just chilling. He's sleeping over there. He's probably going, Dad, you're being so loud. I'm trying to sleep over here. One time in a $300 poker tournament, I went from $1.5 big blinds left. Oh, really? To winning the whole thing for 7,000? Nice, man. Nice. That's awesome. Trump tweets got you. Yeah, I know. It was pretty choppy last week, guys. It was. If you didn't get lucky and be in the right trade when we got a Trump news, that's horrible. And it was like up and then down and then up and then down. So annoying. Sure sounds like Ralph. Sure sounds like Ralph. Yeah. Eating food and sleeping. Yeah, that's all he really does nowadays. Okay, let me get the Dow done here real quick. Even though I haven't really been touching the Dow lately, I still keep all my levels up to date. And then the last thing I'm going to have to do is go into every single one of my Tradeovate accounts. You know what? I'll just update one of them and then I'll make a copy of it and then I'll copy it to all the other ones, I think. So if I took a long right now, there'd be liquidity sweep at within 60 seconds. I know, right? That's how I feel also, B-Devil. It's like, it's been going up and up and up. So I'm like, the moment that I end up going long here, when we're up here, we're going to get a pullback to the VWAP, right? Yeah, it's tough to be a buyer here, even though trend says going up and we have orders all above 212, 220 and 250. It's just the risk to reward is pretty tough, right? So we're just better off to wait for a pullback, you know, a decent pullback anyways, you know, like 40, 50 points or maybe even 100 points, right? Because there's just a lot of risk. We don't know how much higher it's going to go. I mean, there is room to the top side. Like if we look at like the 4-hour chart here, you know, there's this bearish fair value gap up at 600, 30,600. And then, you know, all-time highs at 31,000. So I wouldn't be surprised if we end up getting to 31,000 on Monday, but we'll have to see. Oh, Jane Bond, you have to rebuild from 175. Well, keep the size down, and try to be patient and look for, you know, try to look for the best trades possible, I guess. I know it is a challenge, especially when you don't have a lot of drawdown. The challenge is sizing correctly going forward. So keep it small. Keep it small. Okay, I'll just finish these levels here real quick. Let's see. Area low. Area high. Okay, we are good. Turn off the session volume profile, go back down to our 5-minute chart. Break lower for a scalp, maybe 40 points. Yeah, you might end up getting the pullback. It looks like we're trying to roll over a little bit here. The 9 EMA is sort of breaking down a bit at the moment. Oh, excuse me. Where is our developing point of control right now? So developing point of control is at the 450 level. So that would definitely be the line in the sand. The first line in the sand anyways. If we end up getting a pullback, we might find some support at the point of control. If not, I would say keep an eye on the VWAP. So yeah, it sucks, but if it's possible, have done it a few weeks ago. So let's go. Yes, you guys can do it. I believe. Is it easier or hard? I'm curious about this. Ivan, are you talking about trading in general or what? Trading is definitely a challenge, bro, for sure. But if you're, ooh, let me just adjust this actually real quick here. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up on the NASDAQ too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles and you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying our financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick, pain. Almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking. There we go. Sorry guys, I'm just playing with my layout here. So Ivan, is it easy or hard? I'm curious about this. Trading is definitely hard. It's something that takes a long time to get the skills built up. So yeah, it's definitely hard. There's stats out there that say about 95% of all traders end up losing. That being said, there are quite a few people that are profitable, and if you can survive for long enough, basically, and you can kind of like hone your skill, develop your skills, you can definitely become profitable. It's not unheard of that lots of people are profitable. So, but it does take time for sure. As like we're talking about in the chat there, some people have took some pretty big losses last week, and now they're trying to sort of like resuscitate their accounts, right? So it's definitely not easy, but you know, time in the game, finding yourself a good community of people to surround yourself with is definitely the way to go. But thanks for the question there. So I guess I need to update my MNQs on the book map too here. What is going on? My book map seems to be frozen. Better than digging ditches or loading trucks. Might be harder, but yeah. Yeah, you gotta get comfortable with taking losses, right, guys? I don't know what is going on with my book map right here. It's frozen. Book map is frozen. I think I need to close it. So you guys gonna lose book map here for a minute on the vertical stream. So hey, Savage Princess, what's up, bestie? How you doing? How you doing? Give me a second while I reload this. I missed you too. I missed you too. Develop a process and a system. Keep it simple, but you will have to get your wings. Yeah, definitely. It takes time to learn to deal with the emotional aspects of trading, right, guys? Are we getting a pull? Oh yeah, we're getting a bit of a pullback here. Looks like Randall's trade might be playing out pretty nicely. While I'm waiting for that to load, I'm going to head into my Lucid account and change up all these. I got to change all my contracts here. ES. MESU 6. ESU 6. MNQ. Got to do it on the trade of 8 also. MYM or MYMU 6. YMU6. And then I want to export this layout, I think. Tradebait workspace, import from file. How do I export this? Import from file, reset default, Tradebait workspaces. Oh, here we go. Save this one. And then if I go over to all my other ones, I should be able to just import it. So this one was top on futures. Let's get a different song going here. Top one futures. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback, then I take my pick. Stack it up slow, don't blow the account. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking. And then import from file. Somebody woke up only 4 hours. Downloads. Oil going up in the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Got my VWAP, got my levels clean. Fair value gap, yeah, you know what I mean. Miss my entry by a tick again. Now I'm talking to myself, let me be patient then. Try to get filled, but it ran away. So many things to update on these contract changeovers. Now I'm back on stream like it's all good, bro. Market still open, let's get this. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that. Okay, this is all nice. So that's definitely the way to do it. You go in and you save your profile on Tradebait and export it, and then it's easy to re-import it onto, because I got Lucid, then I got Top One Futures, I got Take Profit Trader, and then Apex. We're not here to gamble, we're here to survive. I don't need a home run, I just need a base hit. Small size gang, yeah, we staying consistent. Ink sweep stops, yeah, it does that quick. So I wait for the pullback. Import from file. Oh, this already shows June. $36, yeah, I'm cashing that out. You want big wins? Cool, take that risk. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. In the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up. Very nice. Here we go. Those are all updated. Very nice, very nice. Is it going to chop here and then pull back? James Bond, we got this, GLaDOS. Yeah, you and GLaDOS got this. I've been dreaming of catching the top and bottom of the night. Imagine shorting 30,500 back to 30,000. That would be savage, bro. all the way to 30,000, which is like where the fill the gap. Yeah, you might win a duck race, then you can take a little pressure off winning that fixing that account. But you should still just slow and steady try to fix the account no matter what. Yeah, is the best. Market Butcher Live. We're not here to gamble. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all these on Bookmap. Sorry about that in the vertical stream there, guys. It's just me on the screen right now. There's no, I don't have any charts or anything showing, so. I'll be over here just stacking base hits. 6 in the chat, yeah, we just went live. Somebody woke up only 4 hours, barely alive. Okay, let's go. Yes. Yes, you. Yes, you 6. Subscribe. MESU 6. Subscribe. NQ. MNQ U6. Subscribe. Market Butcher Live. Hey, what's
what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat.
And then MYM, or just a YM. YM U. MU6.
Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market even. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ sweet, no stops, then it rips quick. You blink once, man, you miss it. We don't chase highs, we wait.
Ooh, it looks like pretty messy on the book map though. Hey guys, on this MNQ. With the new contract, it looked so much cleaner on the other contract. So Tony Snow Trades, do they do that at the end of every month or every 3 months or something like that? I think it's about 3 months. I closed my chart for now. A break is good to regroup. Yeah, smart. How about MNQ switches contracts on everybody without a heads up? What's up with that? Yeah, it always changes about every 3 months. Like what Zach was saying in the chat, though, I think if you go, I'm on NQ here. Oh, geez, what the heck? What am I doing here, guys? I brought up the wrong chart. I did all my levels and everything on the incorrect chart. Shoot. Gotta do it one more time. Yeah, if you go to MNQ1, I think that is the one that's continuous, and it automatically changes for you. Light blue. Okay, and then we gotta do our overnight view up here.
Couple base hits.
Add our deviation bands and go with the red color. Okay, 30-minute session volume profile on. I'm a glutton for punishment, I guess. I just want to have to do this on every chart. You know. Previous day low. Oops. Value area low. Going up, pushing up here. You can see it on the book map in the corner of my eye here. So I'm trying to get these levels updated here. Previous day high, and then I'm done. Okay, expires 4 times a year. March, June, September, December. Thanks, Kyle Shees. Cal's on it. Every 3 months, all right, bet. Good looking out. Me too, that's what I'm saying, LL. How are we supposed to know, or are we just supposed to keep it up? Yeah, we're supposed to keep up with ourselves. A lot of the, usually Tradeovate and other account or firms or platforms will tell you that it's updated. But quite often, like if you are on the wrong one, you can start to tell at some point because the volume just completely dies off. On Tradeovate, you don't need to do all your setup. Just switch the contracts, and all indicators are still there. Nice, yeah. I don't add indicators to my Tradeovate chart because I use all of my levels off of a trading view. They don't have the indicators that I like to use on there, so I end up not using that.
Couple base hits. We'll take that. Hey, what's up? Good evening. We just getting loud right now. 6 people in the chat. Let's go. Opened up the chart, yeah, we barely got sleep. NQ moving wild while the volume low key. Oil going up, but the NASDAQ too. One of y'all lying, I don't trust you. Flag pattern forming, kinda looks clean. 5 green candles, yeah, you know what I mean. Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking wild, saying no financial statements. Missed the entry by a tick. Pain almost got filled again. Set the stop, bring it up, break even. Market, take it, market.
Oh, TradeAway will tell you, yeah.
I'm just stacking little basics.
Yeah, this is why I'm saying, guys, like, I wouldn't recommend shorting, just because we don't know where this thing wants to stop, right? I would just try to be patient, wait for a pullback for a long opportunity, right? But that's just my opinion. Oh yeah, I got to. Is that correct? No. Stop screen share. I got to screen share this guy. Share screen. Window. Share. There we go. I'm just stacking little basics. Yeah. Small wins, big losses. That's it. NQ fake you out, then it dips quick, then reverses. Yeah, that's that trick. We don't go big, we survive this. Yeah. Let me tell you a story about traders and bad decisions. It's great price action. 530 now on the cards, but extended buyers may exhaust. Yeah. Also meant levels and drawings, etc. Yeah, totally. But like, that's just for me, you know. I just always do all my levels, all my indicators and stuff on TradingView. I literally keep my, you know, the odd time I'll put like a trend line or something on my TradeAway chart. But so this is what my chart. I do have these. I think these are just like the standard VWAP or something that comes like built in. Fades. Just one more trade. Famous last words. I love traders. Traders are hilarious. A trader will spend 6 months building a strategy. Yeah, I'm not even sure what these lines are, but they're whatever was on the chart originally. Lose all self-control because one candle looked disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pyrenees never revenge traded, not once. Ralph the French Bulldog. You hear the songs about Frank the Great Pyrenees and Ralph the French Bulldog? You think we're gonna go somewhere to 607, 610-ish? Yeah, so I'm feeling pretty good about today's trading session. I got this. What was this one here? This one right here. This Apex eval passed $53,004.50, $1,500 in that one. And then I did also trade this Lucid eval here. This one put in 1,073. So this one's about 1,000 away from passing. If you guys remember on the last Thursday night stream, I took that $450 loser, and then I ended up taking another loser after that one, after I'd got off stream, unfortunately. So I ended up losing $1,000 out of that account on Thursday, and then now I just made it all back today. So feeling pretty good about that. Anyways, recovered that account back to scratch. Anyway, so I'm 1,000 away from passing that guy. So gotta keep it going. Trying to get some more funded accounts. I currently have 8 funded accounts. If I could, 9 now actually with the Apex. If I can get that other Lucid account, that'll be 10. I might have to start breaking my funded accounts into like buckets of 5, so I don't blow them all in the one really bad trade. No, I won't do it. Yeah, and those these my other 2 My other two Apex accounts are both at like 2054. This one's 2054. This one's 2000 flat. So those ones are also 1,000 away from passing. I should make sure I don't select the one that's if I accidentally take a trade. Don't want to take a trade on the one that's already passed. That'd be bad.
Somehow you can't stop looking. Chat's going crazy. Everybody got an opinion. Everybody suddenly Warren Buffett.
So we popped up there. We took those orders at 5. What is that? 510. See if we're gonna get a push higher. On the daily chart, that's the next closest higher candle height from like a week ago, 607 to 610 range. I mentioned that's why I said it. Nice. Yeah, I was looking at the 4-hour chart, and we have also a 4-hour bearish fair value gap there. 600. The middle of that is around 615 or so. So usually we get about 50% of those fair value gaps. So I mean, 600 definitely could be a target for tonight. Possibly.
Self-control, because one candle look disrespectful. One candle, that's all it takes. A grown man with a mortgage arguing with a candlestick. Frank the Great Pirate.
Look at that daily candle though, hey guys. Well, nothing compared to this bearish candle. Bearish daily candle. Holy smoke. How many points was that? 1,669 points down. Is this thing gonna go like 1,000 points up to all-time highs? I think, we could definitely get this by Monday, man. I don't know. I'm being optimistic, and it's not financial advice, but I mean, you never know. You never know.
And somebody in chat says MNQ dirty. Everybody agrees.
You never know.
Leaves. That's the funny part. You ever notice that? Everybody knows.
The market is crazy.
Nobody stops trading. It's like dating a crazy ex.
Let's hope, right? I don't know. I like all-time high trading, actually. I used to hate it because I was like, I don't know what to do. But I kind of like just buying pullbacks and making money. makes trading pretty easy, in my opinion. It's those choppy days when it's rough. My legs are getting cold. I need to shut my AC vent. I'll be back in a sec. Getting cold underneath the desk. Went long on mess, yeah. 7123 ATM dialed in, yeah. Come trade like me. Plus 600, yeah. She flexing. Yeah, long until you're wrong. You like your long-term investments at all-time highs? Yeah, that's true. It's doable. Definitely isn't giving me a short entry anytime soon. Yeah, you might get the odd little, pullback here. But I would want to wait for sort of like a 50-point pullback, to be honest, if we're gonna try to take a long here. So actually, the point of control is different on this chart, because the other chart was showing the point of control here at 447. Hopefully we don't pull back all the way to 30,340. You're short again? All right, Randall. Good luck, brother. Everybody root for Randall here. Let's see if we can't get a pullback down to the 480s. Because we did tap the 520s. And if you guys know the 80-20 trades, that could actually play out. Subscribe, hit the bell, yeah, we live right now. One micro short, we don't risk that crown. From Hong Kong to India, we all locked and drop. like a 40-point pullback. But to be honest, like I'm pretty happy with my trading session so far. So I'm gonna try to be extra patient here. I would be looking for something like this, to be honest. If I can get a pullback sort of to this area, I would like this. 29,480. Did I say that? There you go. There you go. Trying to get a bit of a push there. Let's see if the 9 can break. 9 EMA is in the way. 14 EMA after that. Where did Lady C go? Have you guys seen Ben and Jerry's? Sorry, it's a French. Strawberry cheesecake, dairy free. For those of you that are lactose intolerant like me, Ben and Jerry's cherry cheesecake. Lady C's in the house. I was saying earlier that I saw your Instagram and your YouTube channel, and I was pretty impressed by your lyrics. And I was also saying that you're very blessed with a beautiful daughter, I see. So just wanted to give you a shout out for that. I missed a chunky monkey dairy free. Oh, really? So good. Love strawberry cheese. Yeah, strawberry cheesecake. So good. Dairy free has a better taste in your opinion. Okay, nice. Hey, nothing to appreciate. I'm just throwing that out there because I think you're definitely blessed, and I like your skills. I mean, it helps that I like hip hop a lot. So. Trading game, you passed a 25K rapid. Now you're scared of the intraday trailing drawdown. Yeah, fair enough. I got the 3 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts, and it's been making me take profits way early than I should be. But I'm just trying to stay focused on getting through the buffer, right? So just be aggressive on taking profits until you get through the buffer, and then it's nothing to worry about anymore, right? So I got these 3 Take Profit Trader Pros here, and they all have about 780 in them, and I'm literally locking in like $50 and just hitting the close the button. Trailing drawdown, GLaDOS, is basically like say you're in a trade, right, and it goes up to $1,000 in profit. And then it comes back down to 500, and you close the trade at $500 winner. It tracks the highest amount that was in your account. So that means if you let it pull back 500, even though you're still win 500 in your account, your overall drawdown is going to be down by 500. So for an example. So it's just an added challenge, right? So quite often it's best to get out with take profits, right? Like if you're long at 500 and you put your take profit at 510 or 515, that's kind of like that'll get you out at the highest value of your account at the time. So usually what I'm doing is I'm trying to like exit the trade as it's going into profit, so that you don't get the pullback and lose money. Like Nick was in a crazy trade. He made, I think it was like $600-700, but he lost like 500 or 600 out of his trailing drawdown. And that's why I often tell people, like, Take Profit Trader is a great platform, right? You can get daily payouts. There's no consistency. But once you get to a pro account, you have intraday trailing drawdown, which makes it a challenge to get past that buffer, right? So you just got to trade slow and steady and just lock in those small wins until you get that buffer. Once you're past the buffer, you can treat it like a normal account again, right? So if you want to put a stop at break even, if it goes up $200 and then pulls back and you get a break even exit, it's okay because you're past the buffer. So Kyle, I thought I liked you. Cheesecake is my favorite dessert. What did Kyle say? He doesn't like cheesecake? He said love strawberry cheesecake, especially in ice cream. Are you guys getting your wires crossed there? Cheesecake is my favorite dessert. Sounds terrible. Planning to take a quick scalp until we reach buffer. Yeah, exactly. Perfect. Can you just aggressively trail your stop loss? Yeah, you can do that also. And then that's a good way to do it. But again, you're probably going to get taken out of your trades pretty early, right? So you just keep moving your stop up tightly as it moves. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, you can definitely do that, right, Forset? I'm Miss K to die for. How was your weekend? My weekend was good. How was yours? Are you talking to Miss K? Yeah, what's up with the Ben and Jerry's getting political? Aren't they an ice cream company? Why? I didn't see that FN Trades. What did they do? I skipped a few pullback entries tonight. Would have ended up winners. How unfortunate. Yeah. Just stay away. Companies that do intraday, don't buy those evals. Even when they see their sales are dropping, they'll change up offering those kinds of accounts. Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's hard to say no to Take Profit Trader accounts though, eh? Because they're just like one of the best funded accounts if you can just get past the buffer. No payout caps, no consistency, everyday payouts. Pretty crazy. But that's why I usually say it's more of an advanced account, right? So when people are if you're newer and you're struggling passing, that's why I always suggest the Lucid accounts rather than Take Profit Trader. Does their ice cream identify as gelato or now or something? What's the scoop? Yeah, I know. I was wondering, FN Trades, what is it? And FN Trades, why did you head over to the vertical stream? You want to see bookmap only or what?
We don't chase tops, we wait, we relax. Base hit stacking, yeah, we build it like that. Add to the winners, yeah, that's our flow. Small size game, but the account still grows. Bears outside, yeah, chickens in the yard, die. Still trading clean, still playing it smart from the chat to the.
It's just hard for me to buy it up here. I need a bit of a bigger pullback, I think.
Yeah, chat saw that move. Somebody long, somebody short. Same groove. Dang, that's a loser. Next trade's a W. We don't fold here, yo, we push right through. Half the chat short of the half long. Still hitting play, still singing the song. Nice trade, butcher. Yeah, we love that vibe. Hit the like button. Keep the stream alive.
Ice cream has nothing on gelato? Yeah, tell that. Don't say that in Italy, right, Jerry? How we doing on the likes today, everybody? We got 41 likes so far. try to get it up there a little bit more. We have 78 people watching right now. We are doing the 25K eval giveaway today, guys. So if you haven't signed up in the forum since last Sunday, make sure you head over to the Discord. It's a pinned comment in the full-size stream there. Pop into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top in the pinned comment there. You'll see the form to fill out for the Sunday giveaways. Talenti is the best store bought gelato. Nice. Okay. How you manage taking profits on a run? Partial, trailing stop, or your winning stop, or trail stop your winnings? You know, Alex, typically I like to trail my stops, right? But in my funded accounts, because I've been copy trading 8 accounts at once, I've been being pretty aggressive and just like locking in wins when I get them, right? Like, so if I get, you know, $50 to $100 winner, I'm pretty much just taking it. Because when you take, you know, $50 to $100 on 8 accounts, it adds up really fast. So poor guy. Hey, good morning, Indians. Hey, good morning. Are you talking about Indians from India, or are you talking about like North American Indians? Because I just recently found out, well, a few years ago, a year or two ago now, that I'm actually a Métis. And if you guys don't know what a Métis is, it's basically like when you take the, you know, the North American native Indians, and then you take some of the first Spanish settlers and they had a baby, and then that's kind of like a Métis. So like from the very first natives with the Spanish settlers to have babies, made the, you know, made what's called the Métis. Hey, you're welcome, Alex. I just submitted my forms, so you got to like prove your heritage up to like 1900s or something, and because my mom already got her card, that it's like easier for me to get it, so I just got to submit that. There's not a whole lot of tax credit or anything like that. No, not a manatee. But they do get some like benefits when they're about hunting and stuff, hunting and fishing stuff. So I don't know. And there's like some grants and stuff that you can, like small business grants and things like that. So if you guys know, I was I'm still interested in trying to open a pickleball center, right? So I'm kind of waiting for that whole Métis to come in so I can see if I can apply for some sort of small business grant to help me start the pickleball center. That's awesome. I have Métis cousins. My husband and kids are Apache. Nice. It's great going for it. Your kids will be grateful. Yeah, nice. Yeah, then you know, if your parents have the card, then it's just easier for the kids to get it too. It's just easier to pass it on. So check my thinking. Normal price wouldn't push higher than 3% overnight, right? I'm looking for a short. I cannot support your short, bro. You know, the market is very enthusiastic right now, so I don't know if it's going to stop. And I agree that, yeah, quite often we don't make more than 3% or whatever. I don't really know hard numbers on that number, but you kind of like can never know, right? So, and this market, to me, I wouldn't be looking for a short, but I mean, that's totally up to you guys. Like if it's in your trade criteria, definitely do your thing. Like I think it, you know, we're probably due for a pullback at some point. It's just how far and when is that pullback going to happen? I have no idea. So that's all. Randall, I think, is also in your same thinking. So it's not like you're the only one thinking we're going to get a pullback, and we might just get one here pretty soon. But And it looks like we are starting to get a little bit here. But just for my take, like I just can't short this, right? But and there it goes, yeah. It's just how far is it going to pull back though? You know, can you, and then are the bulls just going to buy it up again like they have been over and over and over, or what? You know what I mean? This is just what I'm seeing. So just played pickleball for the first time this week. It was fun, but nothing is as fun as paddleball. But pickle is definitely lower cost to start as a business. Yeah, paddleball is kind of the new up and comer, right? Rando, you technically execute, right? Yeah. Maybe if there's a head and shoulders for me. Well, maybe on a lower time frame there is. I mean, it could be. I mean, I'm not saying we're not going to pull back, right? It's just like, where are we going to pull back and when is it going to happen? That's my problem. So, and you know, I would rather just wait for a long. But again, don't let me dissuade you guys from your trade, because I don't want you to be like, oh, I should have taken that trade, but Butcher was saying don't take it or something, right? So I'm not telling you not to take it. I'm just saying be careful, and I'm just saying I wouldn't take a short. But it's starting to look like this one might roll over a little bit more here. So you guys could definitely be on the right path here. Forget head and shoulders in this market, right? Okay, Randall. Yeah. I would think buyers get exhausted, outnumbered after pushing this far. Which is why price doesn't just run 5% every other day. Yeah. Paddle is the fastest growing racket sport in the world. We should go play in Pogo sometime. You'd love it. Yeah, I'll go try it for sure. I haven't tried paddle. I'm just so addicted to pickleball right now. And like every chance that I get, I've been trying to go and play. So you still believe NQ will pump to 35 to 37K this year? Yeah, I mean, we are in bull mode, right? We are in bull mode. What do we got for targets below? And that's the other thing, is like I don't really see much for targets below. I mean, we have some small amounts of contracts at 450 and 400. Looks like we just kind of dipped through these contracts here at 480. So there's a 20 to 80 trade, guys. And the negative one, or the positive one deviation there. People watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? But I hope I'm wrong for you guys, if you're in that short. So damn, man, my simulated trade would have hit TP by now. Jeez. We need a sleep monitor on Trump so that we know we won't get a random tweet. Yeah, like as soon as he wakes up, like the world gets notified. Nice job, Randall. Good trade. Right? So overpowered. Okay, Trump's awake. Get ready, guys. Is that a crotch rocket in your picture? That thing looks sick. Nice. I got a Yamaha YZF R6. Although it's parked right now. I don't get this pump. Yeah, same bro. Market said, watch this. Then it go. MNQ on the chart. I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Yeah, R6. It's an oldie though. I got it in 2006, I think. 2006. Yeah, it's like a 2006. It only has about 6,000 kilometers on it, and most of it was done on one wheel. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see? MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop loss tight, nah, wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep stops.
Where's my bike?
Back quick, you missed by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Base hits only, no fuss. Look at the drop, yeah, chat going wild. Somebody said they ain't slept in a while. Tips to avoid over leveraging. Step one, don't trade like a savage. Nah, I can't hit.
There she is. There she is.
I ran news, oil moving strange. Market don't care, still crabbing a range. I slipped on a dog turd today. Bro, what? Chat going off, yeah, we love that stuff. Up 850 on a funded account. Next guy blew mine in one candle. I'm out. 53 watching, only 21 likes. Hit that button, don't be that guy. VWAC tag, yeah, we might just bounce or fake you out and take you out. Go long. Let's eat. I'm short 5 micros, I'm in too deep. I don't get this pump. Yeah, same bro. Market said.
You have a Ninja 650? Army green. Nice.
I'm scalping every move. Mess running slow, but I'm still in the groove. Stop lost.
Old school and a gem. What we got now are POSHIZ.
You missed by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's got like the black flames on it.
Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
So where are we gonna pull back to here, guys? Maybe the negative, maybe the positive one deviation band, or is that the end of the pullback right there? I don't know. You had a GSX 750. Nice.
On the chart, I'm scalping every move.
So a good friend of mine bought a GSX 750, and when he got it brand new, he had just got his license and he was actually scared to ride it. So I got to ride it home from the dealership. Man, was that was a little freaky even for me, because it's like riding somebody else's brand new bike, and it's like felt so different from my Yamaha. So I was like, oh my god. Was a little scary though. You had a XR 650 in your 20s. I wouldn't mind getting another one now in my 40s, but I feel like I'm too old for sport bikes. Yeah, I kind of like, I'd like to sort of get like a Harley or something now, just something a little bit more chill, like sort of like lay back and just, because when I'm on the street bike, man, I just want to do wheelies, and that's just a good way to not have another day at the charts, you know what I mean? Calling it here. We hit the top of the night. Think so? We still have 462 contracts up at 30,600. But I do hope we get a pullback so we can try to get into a long.
Hits only, no fuss. Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade. Right? We live. 50 people watching.
Looking back at the stupid stuff you did, I'm surprised I didn't get more tickets. Yeah. It's crazy you don't even need throttle to move when you release the clutch. Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, nice trade, Randall. Flames do make a bike 10% faster. Hey, we got 6 people in the vertical stream. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. If you do want to join us in the full-size stream, just hit the pinned comment in the comment section there. Obviously, if you want to hang out and just watch the book map, you're definitely welcome to. Looks like I had this behind. There we go. But if you guys want to get in on the giveaway, the Sunday night giveaway, we're giving away a 25K flex eval. We do it every Sunday. Tonight's the night. Just come over to the full-size stream by the pinned comment in the comment section there. Once you get over to the full-size stream, hit the comment in the comment section here, which will take you to the Discord. Head over to the giveaway channel in the Discord and fill out the pinned comment form there. So lots of pinned comments, lots of links but it's pretty easy to find once you get into the Discord.
Unless I forget. And I'm sitting there like, why'd I do that?
Looks like we got Nikola Tesla,
That's that trick.
Abri Saba Yahoo, and Tony Snow new in the Discord. Good to see you, everybody.
Don't worry, you didn't lose much on that trade.
Maybe if we hit 279, I'd go short.
We live, 50 people watching, 20 likes. Hit the button, see?
Once we start breaking these this consolidation low back here, Jerry.
MNQ on the chart, I'm scalping every move.
You're targeting 30,550. Yeah, I mean we got 102 contracts sitting up at 550 also.
Wait, maybe not. No stop loss. I just wanna blow the account. NQ sweep, stop, spin it, rips back quick. You miss by one tick. Yeah, that's that trick. Small size gang, yeah, we don't rush. Market butcher. Mustang trade.
Is it normal that MNQ is a bit different than the NQ chart? Yeah, there's you know, the numbers are going to be a little bit different, right? So let's see here. What are you talking about? So this is at 30,491 and NQ is at 492. Yeah, it's off by like a dollar, right? We got 91.50 and 91.50 and 92.93 now on MNQ. Yeah, they do often have a little bit of a deep divergence. MNQ and NQ are different markets, aren't they? Yes. Just don't know why they're so similar. Well, they're still like tightly correlated, but you know, as market participants go in and out of trades, it definitely moves. It moves differently. I noticed that we get bigger wicks quite often on MNQ than NQ, but that wick is lower. Yeah, exactly, Jane. Like sometimes, I remember for a while there, I was trying to trade NQ, which obviously you need to have really big accounts to be doing that. And I would notice it like the MNQ wicks would be like way bigger, like they would wick people out of trades and stuff, whereas NQ would have a tighter candle. And it's just because there's just so many more contracts to trade, right? So the fair value gap indicator is Nephew Sam. So head over to your indicator tab there. And then if you search FVG, it'll probably be the first one that comes up. FVG Nephew Sam, 30.6K downloads.
Trade like Canado, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill, then we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trades like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time.
Yahudith, Sabayu, welcome. How we doing on the likes here, guys? We're getting close to the 75 mark. Currently have 84 people watching right now. And nobody in X. My X channel is not very popular. I don't have enough people following me. I'm following 53 and I have 49 followers on X.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like a lotto. Yeah. Everybody got a system.
Hey, you're welcome, Alex. Yeah, just finished filling out the form. Let's go. Yeah, good luck, Tony. Tonight's the night.
Don't care who you think you are. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control.
We got 51 likes so far, guys. We're getting up there. We're getting up there. So NQ and MNQ markets combined somehow, or is that how they work? No, it's just, they're just different contracts, right? So because there's different contract sizes, there's going to be a different amount of contracts that are being traded. So like if you think about it, for every one mini that's traded, there's going to be 10 micros, right? So it's just when you have market makers and algorithms and everything, and there's like 10 times as many contracts for every one contract traded on the big one, you're just probably going to have more slippage and more price movement. At least that's my understanding of it. But I mean, they're definitely related. They're very correlated, right? Like we're not going to have one that's going to be 500 points away from each other. It's just there's going to be a couple points difference always here and there. And I think it's, I'm not sure, but I think it's directly just related to, the fact that there's just a different contract amount, like for the same amount of trades. I don't know. Yeah, I think you understand what I'm trying to say, but
the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline, patience, loss you accept. It's the trades you skip, it's the risk you kept. They sell dreams and them candles say it's all control. Smart money, this, that. But who really knows? I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease.
Let's go. Giveaway tonight. Yes, it is. Tonight's the night. We're doing the giveaway. You get the size different, but why would the micro contract have the exact same trend and as a mini contract? Like both participants thought the same thing at the same time. Well, you got to keep in mind that like a lot of the market is kind of like run off of the indices, right? So they're related to like the price of the stocks that are in the indice, right? So they're definitely going to be close in that sense, right? And if you think about it, when you got big market participants that are like algo traders and market makers, then those are they're gonna be trading both of those contracts at the same time, right? Sundays are for the butchers. Yes, sir. Mid-century. Yes, sir. At least that's what I'm thinking. FN Trades is, it's like when you have market makers, they're gonna be in both, right? And we need the liquidity sometimes, so they're going to be there, and they or maybe it's algorithms or whatever, but it's still all tied to the actual indices, right? Like some shadow in the dark really knows your name. I ain't saying it's fake, I ain't saying it's true, but if you risk too much, it'll humble you. Seen the hype build up, seen it fall back quick. From this is the way to man, this ain't it. I keep it tight. Slow tonight, last few hours. Yeah. It is. It has been pretty slow. I concur. I concur. Sessions there, but my P&L like, you sure you care? Draw on liquidity, cool, I get that. But draw down hit, what a lesson that. Wait for the model, trust the play. Meanwhile, rent still due next days. I ain't here to hate, I'm just keeping it real. If it works for you, then go get your deal. But I seen too many stuck in the script while the market flipped and they couldn't adapt quick. Ain't no guru gonna trade your hand. Ain't no system gonna make you a man. It's discipline. Dude, I'm gonna be so mad if this actually was the top, like I called it. Well, if it was, then I mean, you're gonna have a lot more opportunity to go short. I seen traders chase ghosts till their accounts fold. I just stack base hits, let the
truth unfold. Yeah, VWAP my anchor, keep my mind at ease. That VG feel I move when
Tony
I
Snow,
see
yo.
fairy tales, just risk I control. In a world full of stories, I trade my own.
So Tony, you did fill out the form at the top of the pinned comment there, at the top of that channel, right?
Magic formula. Just you and the chart. Trade your own story.
We got 125 entries, so if you guys haven't subscribed, today is the time to do it. Let's get 1,500 for Trump's birthday. Is it Trump's birthday coming up?
Yeah. Everybody got a system. Everybody got a story. But the market, you don't care who you think you are.
Yo, Sunday night, Globex open.
Okay, nice.
Market
Nice,
Butcher
nice.
in the building. Lucid giveaways. Top 1 futures. Code MBT, baby.
Don't chase though. So we got 56 likes, guys. Thank you. Thank you for that. Appreciate the support. And we gained 6 subscribers tonight so far. So hopefully you 6 subscribers, new subscribers, hopped into the Discord there and filled out that form. Amin got tagged out of that long.
Sunday stream smelling like fresh cut gains. We whap touch, then we running that range. Every G flip got the bears in pain. One bad trade, nah fam, cut that chain. Chat yelling long while gold gets heavy. Oil too slippery, nat gas deli. Mustang cooking up another clean entry market. Butcher slicing charts like deli. Pop point base, hit stack nice and slow. Adults take profits, kids YOLO blow. Discord lit while the beats stay low. Bone a candle print in the chat, yo bro. Don't revenge trade, don't fade the trend. Move that stop up, let the winners extend. If you blow the evil, reload my friend. Code MBT gonna save you again. On a candle straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't chasing highs. LVG lined up, now the shorts all crime. MBT code, get the discount right. Lucid trading funded, dreams all night. Top 1 futures got the butchers outside. Risk management gang, yeah, we still survive. Chat say Dave, should I full port NQ? No. What would an adult trader do? Scaling smart, don't act brand new, cause book map sharks out hunting for you. POC hit and rejection clean. ES floating like a limousine. One guy long on top of 17. Now we working overtime at Dairy Queen. Giveaway stream got the viewers wild. Lucid funded account, stacking them.
I like this channel. My guy is chill and he knows his stuff. He's down to earth, answers questions, just a good guy. Appreciate all you do, my guy. Hey, thank you, Tony. I appreciate that. I love it when I get comments like that. Makes it all worthwhile. And I do enjoy hanging out here, so hopefully that shows on the stream. So someone go short for me and I can live vicariously through you. I know you can't just, it's hard to chase it now though, right? Is that going to be the bounce there? I'm not buying it just yet though. I'm still waiting. You know, I would like to see us maybe retest a 462. Ideally we get what I want to see is like a really rapid sell down candle for a potential chance to enter, right? Like a quick wick down, and then we can try to get into the long, where they just try to like sweep a bunch of stops and then go. It is good stuff. Love the show to start off the week. Keep on keeping, my brother. Hey, thank you for the support, guys. I couldn't do it without you guys. Someone short at 495 and target 470.
Code MBT, baby. Trade like adults,
But laugh like degenerates.
The 14 EMA.
Straight to the moon tonight. MNQ jumping chat, feeling too alive. Base hits only, we ain't.
We're gonna do the heavy metal song, guys.
you wanna gamble?
Oh, hopefully I didn't. Did I turn the volume down over here? Yes.
We trade with discipline.
Hey, just checking to see if anyone needs a 3-year-old boy. My nephew, he's a fun kid, LOL, but he keeps turning off my fan. If you want him, let me know. Just kidding. That's funny. So, are you... Your nephew's in Taiwan? So you have family in Taiwan, Keith? So you're originally from Taiwan, or is that like, I'm getting confused now because I thought you said you're in Taiwan, but you're from the USA. Your home is in USA, I guess. But so that means you're originally from Taiwan? I love kids. Send him my way. I gotta give him back when he starts crying, though. Yeah. That sounds like a good deal for you. Oh, is there a decent UFC fights tonight? I didn't see. Who's fighting?
Losers.
God damn, I like this song. Yeah, it's pretty good, right? White House fight? The White House fights. Oh, really? Me versus MNQ. No, I'm 100% US, but I took my nephew and his family with me on the vacation to Taiwan. Okay, makes sense. How did you hurt your hurt your shoulder? You said it was your shoulder, right, Keith? Or am I thinking of somebody else at that? I know you said you got an injury. Angia's always working so hard. W's in the chat for Angia, everybody. Angia rocks. If you guys don't know Angia yet, here she is. She's here every day when she can. Quite often she'll take a shower and then everybody makes money short. So if you guys need to take a short, we got to get get Angia to quickly hop in the shower. It's a new indicator that we set up for the charts, if you guys didn't know. So I kind of figured after Friday you'd be MIA from the stream with Klee. Oh, I know, right? Klee is she's a gorgeous woman, eh? You know, I didn't, you know, when people say, oh yeah, you know, I'm a hot Latina, whatever, you're like, okay, yeah, sure. And then when you see the picture, you're like, oh my God, like, wow. I was very impressed. Very impressed. Butcher, if I give you 100, can you turn it into 1,000 for both of us? My familia. I wish it was that easy, eh? No doubt, right? Leah Tapuria versus Justin Gaethje. I hope Gaethje for the upset. Nice, yeah. Oh, Ilya, yeah. Yeah, Justin Gaethje's savage guy, man. I don't really know Ilya Tapuria. I would have to look it up. I'm a little out of touch with UFC. Me and my guy friends always used to watch lots of UFC, but I don't get invites anymore. Probably because I'm on the charts every night. And you know how people are. They think it's all a scam, so. Should I make a Coke Zero strawberry cheesecake ice cream float or what? Hot take. The world needs hot Latinas more than it needs inflation to go down. I guarantee I can turn 100 into 1,000. Nice. Pennies? Oh, yeah. Into 1,000 pennies. Touche, touche. So we're at 59 likes. Once we get to 75, I'll start doing the I'll start getting the form ready for the giveaway, guys. So we need about 15, 16 more likes. We do have 86 people in the chat, so we should be able to get there pretty easy. I just got to remind everybody to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you want to see when I go live. Set it to all. Love you guys. Coke Zero has cherry float, which is good. Nice. Tell your friends, tell your dogs, tell your cats, ask them to join us every day. Speaking of dogs, maybe we got to bring Ralph out to get the rest of those likes, hey? Let's do it. No, I can't see any dislikes. Fasil, if you have filled the form out since last Sunday, after last Sunday, then you don't have to. But if you haven't, if you want to just check, just go to the form and try to fill it out again. It'll say that you've already filled it out, right?
You want to gamble? Get out. We trade with discipline. This is Market Butcher!
He was sleeping so good. He's like, I was like petting him for like that whole time I was over there and he wasn't waking up. Now he's like, what are you doing? It's so bright over here. You put me in front of the camera again like usual. Trying to get those, using me as a dog horde, trying to get some likes. Everybody like the Frenchie. Like the Frenchie. So we should have long the +1 standard deviation there, it looks like. Let him take a trade. No. Check out the trading team. Is he a platinum? What do you mean, is he a platinum? You added to your long force fed? This is looking nice right now. Got to get through this 500 level. Platinum Frenchie. No, I don't know. He's my brother had a male and a female French bulldog, and they mated, and then they had about 6 puppies. One of them looked like my American bulldog that I had at the time, white with a brown patch on its head and like over its ear and stuff. And he was like, dude, like, you got to take this dog. He looks exactly like Roman. Roman's the name of my American bulldog. And yeah, and then I got him. And yeah, they were best friends. Unfortunately, Roman passed away about, was it like 3 weeks or a month after I got Ralph, unfortunately. So they didn't get to spend that much time together, but during the time that they did, Ralph really loved Roman. And I remember the first time I took them out for a walk together. Roman's walking the big air dog. Ralph's so tiny, and he's just like watching Roman while they were walking. And then I swear Roman's like spirit went into Ralph, because he was like, Roman was such an amazing dog, and then now Ralph has been such an amazing dog. So I feel blessed to have had them both. 75 likes done. Look at that, guys. We bring out the dog, and then we locked in the 75 likes. Funny cartoon mix TV. Hey, love from Pakistan. Hey, thanks. Welcome to the stream. NG Gaming in the house. What's up, buddy? How you doing? Check your DMs. Can you show them if you can show them if you want? Is it in the general chat, or does anybody have Tether to USD BPT BB20? Which DMs are you talking about? I don't have any direct messages. Is it? Who said that? Was it Red? Okay. There you go. I got you here. I got you. Nice. Wow, you got a whole crew hanging out with you there, eh? That's awesome, Red. They're all like, come on, let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Let's go, Dad. That's awesome. Thanks for sharing. Those are some nice looking dogs. Oh, we're doing one giveaway tonight, Facile. Yeah, I know. I was like, before I put it on screen, I better see what this message is. Kaya left, Max middle, Yoda right. Hey, Jay Remmer, what it do? How you doing? Poor guy, 8657 in the house. Trading my fundeds. This is too good not to. I know, right? I should have been trading fundeds earlier too. At least I passed a one eval and put 1,000 in the other though, so it's okay. Let's see here, guys. So we did hit. Yeah, we got 77 likes. All right, so I'm gonna. So you guys got like a couple more minutes here, maybe until. You guys got until 6 minutes, 7 minutes until 12:30 to enter the giveaway form on the Discord. Once we get to 9:30 my time, which is 12:30 Eastern Standard Time, I'm gonna start running the form or running the giveaway here. So you guys got anyone who is new in the channel here, head over to the Discord and fill out the form on Discord. and get an entry for the Sunday giveaway.
Late night thinkers, crate digging rhythm hitters, yeah. Back when the tape deck click with the static sound. Dreams felt bigger when the block stayed underground. Notebook packed full of plans and ambition. Cold nights, warm beats, survive. Yeah. Dust on the sneakers. Yeah.
Decent night for you tonight. Up 405 times 5 so far, and the boy had 2 tutties tonight. Oh, nice. In his football game. Nice. Tutties, is that what they call it nowadays? That's what I had in Texas. Oh, cool. Nice. Oh, Jesus. Oh, man, what the heck? Oh my God. Just a couple dogs here. Just a couple dogs. Why does the one guy have a stick on, or like a PVC pipe across his chest or something there? That's what the youngins call the touchdowns these days? All right. Fair enough. That's some cute dogs right there. Look at that. Woof, 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 woof. That's so many. They're all huskies. Two did because they pushed through the fence. Oh, okay, gotcha. So that kind of like stops them from getting through. Yeah, it's a whole sled team. 11 dogs. Well, guys, look at that. Look at that. We're looking bullish here again. We're still at the 500s, though. So this was the entry right there, guys. I was being a little bit too patient here, or a little bit looking too much of a pullback. Can probably target the 515s pretty easily. Damn. That was a trade right there, it looks like. We didn't tag out. We wouldn't be out of this yet, but you could probably target these 510s area at least. Did it hit 510? Not quite, but almost. Your wolf hybrids, crazy. I'm letting it ride, set a stop loss, so the least I'll make is 191. Nice. Nice trade, nice trade. Yeah, we might rip right through the highs there and head up to 550s next, right? We got all those contracts, 501 contracts at 550. We got about 88 contracts at 525, so you're probably at least gonna get to that level, or pretty damn close to it. So you've been on this trade since 30,418. Nice, man, nice. That's funny because I was in a 417 area, I think it was. Was it 417? No. My original trade on my other, but I closed it out a long time ago, was down here at 317 area. If only I had enough tatas to hold on to it. No, I was in evals, so I kind of had to close it once I hit the 53,000. So.
Charts up, coffee hot, candles loaded, Mustang trader in the pre-market.
Okay, what time do we got here? 2 more minutes here, guys, to get in on that form on the giveaway. We got 126 entries. So while we're doing that, I'm going to get ChatGPT to update the list. Miss K11 throwing trophies in the crowd.
Get it easy, asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Having calling levels, say the 1 too high. 5 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill, yeah. MQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. ES session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all hide. Market picture game, keep the dream alive. All slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. Every G flip and the EVG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. Effing trades asking Asia or why. How long you trade? Do EDS buy? The name Q sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kinda like holidays, snooze fest, maybe then like town liver kill stream ball going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Jerry say Asia hard to trust. One micro feels too much. Real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Canfluence yelling ace pump and check. Good tried XG will manage to imagine that. Lone Wolf Blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile Chris Spy, EVH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, dirty, dirty. I love it, boner candle. Base hits, no revenge. Yeah, ace hits, no revenge. Angel posting schedules every day. Pre-market NY, Globex all the way. Discord loaded, milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top one, Lucid funded dreams alive. One, it will pass and the whole chat thrive. Joey asking long or short from what? Answer structure, FEG, don't guess the setup. Vertical screen got different songs. And the Lord's asking playlist, where's it from? Kyle asked, what AI made that beat me?
Thanks for sharing that, Red. Let's go. It's time for the duck race. Breaking all-time high for New York session. It looks like, yeah, probably, right, Brando? A lot of interest upper and lower, so a mix. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see how we get it tomorrow.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, if the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a boner candle. Market butcher. Yeah. Charts up. Coffee hot. Candles loaded. Mustang trader in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic.
Tony B. Looks like Tony P just getting in the form. Little Tony. Oh, is that you? Tony B? Hey, 102 people watching right now, guys. Hopefully you guys are all entered in on the form here. 105 people. 105. Yes. Let's see here. Here's your favorite song. Okay, so I'm gonna get the final list here real quick. It looks like we got a couple more entries, so I'm just gonna download this one more time. So sorry if you guys end up missing it, but I'm not. I have to do this one more time here, just so I make sure we have the full list properly set up here.
Resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat decide. Boner candle print and the bears all hide. Market butcher gang, keep the dream alive. trades, asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L.car stream Joe going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Yeah, we say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. K-influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good try XD, well managed. Imagine that, lone wolf blue say oil, dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy, ATH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty.
Okay, looks like we got the list. I just got to add K-poppers to the end of the list here. All right, names, edit list.
Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet.
And we're popping up here. Missed that long, obviously. That's too bad. That is too bad. Let's go banners. I gotta turn off this guy. And then we'll do it 2 minutes and 12 seconds. I'll set that.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop.
All right, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Don't forget my squad of ducks. Yeah, you got a squad in there. I better off on your list than any of the governments. Kyle had like extra 32 ducks. Put my duck in the back here. We'll do shuffle. I'll shuffle this a couple times here more so you guys know it's totally random here. Okay. Good luck, guys. Here we go. We're off. 25K Lucid Flex account here. The K-poppers out in the front already. Zumane, Yazza baby. MK Trader, Force Fed, NQ Man, Swing Kings, Drew's Malibu, Yo Jim Blab, or Yo Jim Knob, I should say. GLaDOS, I see GLaDOS. There's Gary LP3, Branetz, J May J, Clayton Morris, Miss K911 there, Liquid Roots, Fibonacci Father, Trading Game, Scalp Million, Swing Kings, All Red, oh, the Wick Hunter, Market something up there, Hero Crypto, Candle Bridge, Richard Dowdy, Daddy D, Big Daddy D, Barbecue, BBQ. Oh, who's this? Lee popping up from the back here. We got 1 minute left in the race here, guys. Trade with Vagella, Sam One Lucas. Oh, I see it. Slow as usual. Good luck, good luck. Yes, you're here. Oh, I see it. Slow as usual. Let's go. Pinpoint Markets. Who's this? Chewy 1355. Jamal Arjdal. Liquid Lore. KO Dongo. What is this? Nick's Indian YouTube. Oh, stop loss is hit at 18 seconds. Who's gonna come from the back? There's an Angia there. I see an Angia. Who's coming up here? There's another Angia. Oh, it rejected. Angia's got multiple ducks in this race, guys, if you didn't know. Who's gonna win? Jolly Balls? Or is it Market Masks? Market Masks. Looks like Market Masks. Are you here, Market Masks? Holler at us in the chat, Mr. Market Mass or Mrs. Market Mass. Sorry if it, I don't know if it's a very neutral name. Not here, rigged. Damn, my duck is so fat and slow every time. Didn't even move up. Oh, usually, well, it's better to be in the back if you are. Market Mass, you got like a minute or two here at the most to get to say you're here so you can collect your account. If not, we're gonna have to remove from the race and run it again. He's on his bed. I saw him in the back and I was waiting for the stop loss. My duck is afraid of the water, Philly. First time on the channel and I love the format of the giveaways. Oh, hey, nice. Yeah, we're trying to make it as fair as possible for people. So how it works, guys, since we're waiting to see if Market Mass is here, is if you're here during the stream, so Tuesday and Thursday nights, usually what we're doing is we're doing duck races. And if you win the duck race on a Tuesday or Thursday night, then you get an extra duck entry into the Sunday giveaway. So I don't have a lot of accounts. I'm not that big of a streamer yet. Maybe one day. But I have enough accounts that I can do like one giveaway per week. So we just schedule it for Sunday. So if you're here during the week, we quite often run duck races during the week. So if you win during the week, what you're doing is you're just getting an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. So seems like our Market Masks is not here. Sorry, brother. On to the next one. Good luck, guys. Here, I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter here, though. Let's just make it to 45 seconds, and we'll shuffle it. And we're off. Good luck. Jane, you didn't see your duck. Can you check if I'm on the list? You got to be on there. There's just so many names, but I will definitely look for you.
Yelling double top, maybe next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not while the breakout fly.
Yeah, ChatGPT says you're on there. Oh, you see yourself? Look at Angie's got 2 ducks right there because she's won multiple. Angie's gonna win. Hey, Angie won. Congratulations. I'm assuming you're here, right, Angia? Angia deserves it, guys. Angia deserves it. She puts in so much effort supporting the stream. Oh, Red Boo, congrats. Angia, you got to be here, though, right? Don't tell me you're not here, Angia. Do not tell me you're not here anymore, Angia. Oh my god, don't tell me she fell back asleep, guys. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Yeah, we say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too. Angia. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good tracks D, well managed. Imagine that. Lone Wolf Blue say oil. Dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy at TH. Hey, there's Vikram. I haven't seen you in a while. Give it to her anyways. Yeah, I think she deserves it though, guys. It's hard for me to not give it to her. Oh my god. You can't get in the other stream with your phone? No? She might have fallen back asleep, guys. It's like early in the morning for her.
Use code MBT every single night. Top one Lucid, fun the dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? I'll ask what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. MNQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows sometimes it dumps.
Yeah, we gotta let her have it, guys. She deserves it. She's always putting in so much effort into supporting the stream. So we'll start a poll anyways, though. I think I'm just gonna give it to her, but I would like to see that you guys support it also. So support me to support Angia, guys. So far, we got 70-80%. Angia's winning.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell.
Charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market. Mark can put you on the mic. Oil slippery.
Well, it's up to you guys in the chat here. So it looks like so far we got about 64% are saying yes to give it to Angia. I know she's always in the chat supporting everybody here, guys.
Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATA again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid eval. Whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd.
Let me see these coupons here. Oh, I can request more coupons in one day here.
Resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill.
Yeah, you know, we got a 50-50 almost, so unfortunately I think the rules have to be the rules. It sucks, but it's just the way it is, right? Because I'm getting a bit of a split poll here, guys. So if it was like really skewed to like being that we need to give it to her, then we would have to give it to her, right? But it's so close that, you know, it's just, yeah, I kind of have to go with the rules are rules. So it's pretty close. It's like 54% to 46%. I know. Just give tonight's list an extra duck each next race. Okay. I guess we got to race again. I don't know. Rules are rules, right? Unfortunately, it is what it is. That sucks. But yeah. Don't worry, guys. I'll take care of her. I will take care of her. But rules are rules, right? So Just don't worry about it. Oh, there she is. Okay. It's official. We can give it to Angia. She's here. There you go. There, we're not breaking the rules. She got here just in time. Okay, you saved me, Angia. I was in a bad position there. Like I was literally about to. Hey, you guys saw. Like I was about to stick with the rules, but she saved me from having to change the rules here. Oh, thank God. Oh, jeez. The stress, man. You guys have me so stressed out there. I'm like, what do I do here? What do I do?
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell.
Congrats, Angia. Congrats. Oh, you're in the stream, but it was delayed? Oh yeah, that happens. But don't worry, guys. We'll do a couple more quick races here. Let's do a couple more quick races for extra duck entries while we're at it. Angia, I'm gonna send you in the chat the link to the giveaway. I just hit you the I just sent you the link there, Angia. So go redeem the 50 or 25K flex eval, and then just take a screenshot and show it to me when it works, please. Am I on the list? Check for you. Sure. Let me check.
Execution sharp, gotta trust your art. Tab and calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this.
It looks like you're not on the list, Economic Pulse. So head over to the Discord and fill it out, please. And who's that asking if it's Don't post it in the chat. Who else was asking this? Somebody else was asking if they were on the list, right? Where did I see this? Never seen my duck either. David? Yeah, you're on the list. Okay, so we'll do two more. We'll do two more races to give away. We'll give away a couple entries. So we'll do two duck races, and we'll add whoever's first and whoever's last will get an extra duck in the next Sunday giveaway. Yeah, you're on there, Savage Princess. Okay, so we'll do two more duck races. Whoever's first and whoever's last will also will get an entry. Yeah, Puran, you're on there, bro. Okay, let's go full screen here. Let me remove this banner here so you guys can see and change up the song.
Protect the evil.
Top 40 brand? Sure, I'll check real quick.
And
Yep, you're on there too. Yeah. There's a pinned comment there in the chat. Hit that. It'll take you to the Discord. When you're in the Discord, go to the giveaway channel and fill out the form in the giveaway channel to be entered.
Charge up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market, Market butcher on the mic, oil slippery, gold heavy, nat gas explosive, let's work.
I'll add your name on there. Just make sure you head over to the Discord and enter. There we go. Let's set this guy 45 seconds. So remember, first and last will get an extra duck for the next Sunday giveaway. Good luck, good luck. And we're off. Mid-century. By the way, if Angia comes in first on, because I didn't remove her ducks because I left that page already. If she ends up winning, we'll just do the person who's below her. So if Angia wins or first or last, we'll either go up one or we'll go down one. Because I forgot to remove her name there. So good luck, everybody. Jan, May J, Vigo, GLaDOS, Philly Trades, the Jolly Balls, Poor Guy, Tris, Hero Crypto, Yo Jim Blob, Jane Bond. Who's coming up here? Vikram. Vikram's going to take first. Vikram, you're still here in the chat? Looks like Vikram and Lady C. Vikram and Lady C, are you guys both here still? Congrats, Vikram. You'll get an extra duck for next Sunday.
Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like hell.com stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's made a name, whole chat broke.
Congrats. Is Lady C in the house? Lady C. If not, looks like Savage Princess is gonna get an extra entry. Lady C, are you here? Yes, Raphael. That means that Jane won a duck race during the week. And if you win a duck race during the week, or like a duck race like we're doing right now, you're going to get an extra duck entry into the race. So that's just how it kind of works, is to show support to the people who are here Monday to Friday, not just coming on Sundays for the giveaway. You have an opportunity to win an extra duck into the race. So hang out, enter when you can, and hopefully you'll win also and get an extra duck. So she probably has a delay also. Yeah, that's the only bad thing about having the forms, right? Or sorry, the ads. I Monday to Friday I'm live, but usually we do the extra duck giveaways on Tuesdays and Thursdays. So we're live Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings, and Monday to Friday during the market open in the mornings. So if you're there, it's basically usually we do it one in Tuesday morning and one at Tuesday night, one at Thursday morning, one at Thursday night for an extra entries for the Sunday giveaways. Lady C, are you here? If not, we're going to have to pass it on to Savage Princess. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, if the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a boner Campbell. Let's see. I'll try to see it in the chat here at Lady C. I don't think she's here anymore, guys. So I think we're just going to be giving this to Savage Princess for the extra entry. So. Coffee hot. Bona candles
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Mark and put you on the mic.
Yeah, I know her name didn't come up for me either. So, okay, so we'll add Savage Princess there for an extra entry.
Let's work. Ain't too dirty, but I love it, let it ride. Each session high while the chat this side. Bone a candle print and the bears are high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG
There you go. You're in there.
base hits only one trade at a time. Kai Dunga yelling double top.
And we'll do one more.
Candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not.
We'll do one more first and last.
Nas the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim Blab like ESS.
One more race, first and last. Get an extra duck also. Here we go. Good luck, guys. Hey, you're welcome, Savage.
Trophies in the crowd. Ain't
She's on her bed, sleeping.
gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine. Don't chase the
Good luck here. First and last. 18 seconds. Some stop losses hit. Boom. Look at that. NG Gaming. Sorry, bud. The trading game looks like you got rejected there too. Who's coming up from the back here? Force fed. Force fed. I thought you were taking it there. Oh, you might still. Oh my god. Oh, so close. Profit per tick. So we got profit per tick. Are you still here? And volatility viper. Profit per tick and volatility viper. I don't see profit or volatility viper. I don't think either of them are here. So if they aren't here, guys, we're just gonna go to the next on the list. So we'll give them another 30 seconds or so here, and if not, then it's gonna be Gary LP3 and Vanch MathPaul. Volatility Viper, dope name. Yeah, it's pretty good, right?
I love it.
Okay, so is Vanch here? Is Vanch and is Gary here? We'll move it on. We're moving on. I don't see Gary and I don't see Vanch. Okay. So we'll run it again here. The dude on the UFC fight is effed. Okay, let's just run it back here, guys. I don't think any of those names are here. So we'll just shuffle these guys again here. Let's do this. How about Force Fed and Kyle? we might be able to do something about that, Kyle. Oh, there's David Madrid, Wayne, Branitz, Lady C, Keith Smith, Chewy. Hey, Jonathan Stonks. Wish we all making money. Thank you for the super chat, Jonathan. Jonathan's a man. Jay, I don't think Jay's here. I haven't seen him. Are you going to win that? Wayne, who's going to come from the back here? Fade the spike. Fade the spike. Doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like Fade the Spike is here either. Oh, look at this. Looking like who's number 2? Yo, Jim Blob. Martinez, 1976. I don't see Martinez 1976 either. Yo, Jim, you're still here, right? Yo, Jim Knob in the house.
While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid val, whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season, asking 3-minute chart. Execution sharp, gotta trust your art.
We lost too many viewers now. Nobody's here to win. So, a 1 second race? Yeah. Yo, Jim Blob, are you here, bro? Yo, Jim, did you leave? Yo, Jim Knob? Usernames within the chat? Oh, it's kind of hard. It only lists 50 people on the top chat. K-poppers, you're here, LOL. Hey, Prabin, if you want to get in on the giveaway, you got to head over to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord. Okay, let's see here. Let's see. Let's do a 5-second duck race. 5 seconds. Let's get this over with here. I know, right, Vikram? I mean, people, they just, as soon as they see that they didn't win the duck race, they just all leave, right? I know this duck thing's been a bit long. I know, that's why I'm like, let's get this over with in 5 seconds here. Okay, we're going again, first and last, and give me the last one. Good luck. Who's this? Adam Daz. Volatility Viper again? Volatility Viper again? Duck Nos. Volatility Viper is not here, right? So who was second? Who was second? Malgahalara do trading. I don't think he's here either. Adam Dad's not here. Market echo chamber. Nope. I don't see any market echo chamber either. Okay, we're going to top fans here, guys. We got to do this. But it's like, if we do top chat, then there's going to be lots of people that aren't on the list though, that are here. You know what I mean? So, let's just raise again. We'll do another one. We'll be over quick here. Good luck. CD Zen. I haven't seen CD Zen tonight either, though. Oh my god. Who's last? Bull Pathfinder.
Explosive. Let's work.
Bull Pathfinder, nope. Branitz? Oh my god, man. Nobody's here. Silverback trades? Tony Snow trades. I think Tony's here, right? Tony's here. We found a winner. There you go. Tony's got one. I'm going to add Tony. We just need to find one more winner off the list here. We'll just keep going down from the top. So who's next? Dark Brown. Dark Brown, you here?
the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride.
Dark brown. I think dark brown was here earlier. There you go. There we go. We got it. We're done. Okay, let's get this duck race off here. I'm done with the ducks, guys. There we go. Okay. Dark brown, you got an extra entry for next Sunday giveaway. Congrats.
Everybody laughing while the candles fly. I like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like hell. Doc stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much. Real.
Oh my God. I don't know about you guys, but I'm tired now. It's hard work running these duck races, man. Sorry about that, Alex. I know. I'm like, geez, we're just ignoring the trades right now here. We're going up and up and up and just missing the trades right now. So we got those orders still up at 550 here. We're about to get there. Miss K, it's past your bedtime. All right, good night, Miss K. Thanks for hanging out. Appreciate you. I would have to pay for the like subscription for the zombie races, Vikram. I forget who it was. Somebody found me. I think it might have been Yojim Blob. They found me. Yeah, duck exhaustion. Found me the free duck race because once you get over, I don't know, like 20 entries or something, or 100 entries, you got to have like the premium duck race. But like somebody found me a free duck race one, so use a ChatGPT to select the names. I know it's a little more fun when it's interactive, right? It just kind of sucks when we have like 100 entries and there's only like 60 people in the channel at the time that we do the race, right? Maybe what I should do is like make it a smaller screen or something. I don't know.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a boner, Campbell.
AI is biased to probability. Jeez, guys. Should have bought that -1 deviation there. Or +1 deviation bounce. Or we could have just traded the midnight VWAP. On the take of the midnight VWAP, look at that thing. From 502 all the way up to 550, basically. Yeah, that's what we could maybe start doing is if we have trouble finding entries, we could just do another form. Not sure if close the trade before London session opens. Who knows? What if they have what they have on their heads? Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't be turning bearish at all at this moment, guys. That's what I was saying earlier. Like, I'd be just looking for pullbacks for longs. But yeah, you're right. I mean, London might. There's a good chance London might go down. Ever noticed the cube of Saturn and 6-sided star with a ChatGPT logo? I didn't see it. Oh, is that what that is? That like circle looking thingy? Bias is part of AI context?
different trades, asking Asia or NY. How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. Kyle like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like hell. Doc bar stream joke, going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the future's rage.
Yeah, it's a cube just titled which makes a hexagon. Gotcha. Tilted. Tilted? Titled. You added on the drop to 70 for a 1K trade. Brought it back from near death. Nice. Tilted. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, I think I'm out for the night. Everybody stay green. Stick to your plan. Can't type. It is late. It is late.
Structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs.
Good night. See you next Sunday. Ciao, bro.
NQ is dirty. And the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps. Sometimes moonshot goes. Mr. Move fine. Another one shows. Market, but you
how did we do on the subscribers? Are we almost at 1,500? Oh, is there 6 people in the chat that haven't subscribed yet? We're like 6 people away from 1,500, which is our basically our next milestone. You gotta be 6 of you in the chat still. Maybe? Maybe? Any chance? Okay, Puran, have a good night, bud. I'll be on here for we'll stick around for another 15 or so minutes to see if we can get into a trade.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a Bonham Campbell.
You're gonna go make 6 accounts real quick and subscribe? Oh, thank you. Actually, maybe I can subscribe from my other accounts. Does that count?
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy. Nat gas explosive. Let's work. NQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Bone a candle print and the bears all high. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned.
Oh, it shows that I'm already subscribed from my other two accounts. This is my real estate channel, and this is a drone video that I made of a property that I had listed.
Resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill.
I'm a full service real estate agent. I do drone videos for my clients also. You thought I was gonna go straight into the tree?
How long you trade, do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly.
You guys can see me on the right there. I'm doing the drone. I was on the right hand side.
One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays.
Oh, where was that? That's me right there doing the drone. Standing by my truck.
I love it. No revenge. Under posting schedules every day. Pre-market NY, Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. One lucid, funded dreams alive. One Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market
There you go.
MNQ is dirty.
If you guys need a real estate agent and you're in Canada, I can list your property for you.
Another one shows market, but you can't just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, net gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market, but your crew base hits forever. That's what.
Yeah, use code Butcher to get a semi-detached house in Surrey.
Trade like adults.
Thanks, Trade for Keeps. You too. Have a great weekend or a great week.
Respect the stop.
Oh, we only need 5 more subscribers. We got 5 more. Anybody? Anybody? I feel like I gotta stay streaming here until we hit those last 5 subscribers. Hey, Dante Music Kenya, you're watching from Kenya, and hey, welcome. Nice to meet you. What time is it right now in Kenya? Sorry, I've kind of missed your comment there from a few minutes ago.
Charts up. Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market.
Jesus, it's junk food night tonight, guys. I had a little bit of ice cream earlier. Now I got some Kettle brand potato chips, sea salt and vinegar. So good, so good. I took 2 trades tonight. Yes, mid-century. I'm in British Columbia, and I'm on the same time as you. I took 2 trades tonight. I took well, actually I took 1, 2, 3 trades, 4 trades total. I took 1 trade in this account, made 1577, and I took 3 trades in this account, and I made 1,073. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt, one micro today can become a house built. You always wanted to live around Vancouver? I've yet to go. Yeah, it's definitely nice out here, but it's freaking super expensive, dude. But I'm sure you get that being in California, because California is similar with being too expensive. You heard, but yeah, Cali sucks. Yeah, I heard that. Like, you guys have very similar taxes and stuff. Yeah, I can't. Vancouver. We have better weather in general in Vancouver. It's just a little more, average. Like, we don't get as cold as the rest of Canada. And we don't, other provinces also get hotter than we do. So we're kind of like in the middle. Like, the hottest we ever really get is about 30 degrees. Like, so that's about the cap. But like other provinces get like, for the cold side, they get like negative, 30, 40. I have to shovel maybe once or twice a year. And usually don't even have to shovel because it just melts away. But I learned my lesson in the past when I think, oh, it's going to melt away, and then it sticks around for like a week or two, and then I regret not shoveling it. So now I just always shovel it. $14.98. 2 more subscribers. Let's do this. Greg, you're in Grand Prairie and you're no stranger to negative 45 with lots of snow. Yeah. Yeah, I gotta shovel like 2 inches, right? 3 inches of snow. Maybe like 4 or 6 inches at the most, and it usually goes away in a couple days. So send me to bed, subscribers, please. I gotta stick around at least till we get to 1,500 now. We're so close. We're starting to get a little bit of a pullback here. We did almost dip into. Oh, we did take the. No, we didn't take them, did we? Okay, so let's scroll back here. So there was 500 orders there, which they pulled, as you can see. So there's those algorithm orders. And they moved them up, a bunch of them up here to 75. And then we had 78 contracts right there, 64 contracts. And then we dipped into it, and 44 of them got bought or sold. Looks like 44 of them got bought. There's still about 36 left. And then the algorithms moved up to 575. Which are a random question, but what do you think about moving for a job? I live at home, saving tons of money, but I can totally afford to rent elsewhere. I'm 26 and single, just want to work and trade. Well, if you're living at home with your parents and you can save more money, it probably makes sense to stay there, unless, if you're going to move to somewhere that's going to pay you substantially more. But it would be nice to not have to pay rent and whatever, right? If you're worried about, not worried about that, but it's like, it just gives you more money to allow, you to put into your trading or to whatever, right? So you made two accounts and subscribed. Well, thank you. You're a savage. For real. For reals. 1501. We made it. Thanks, guys. Appreciate that. 1500 is a nice level. So you said you needed 2 more? LOL. Thank you. Thanks for all the support, guys. Really. Obviously, I wouldn't have been able to do it without you guys. Hit that amazing landmark 1500. That's pretty awesome. I'll definitely sleep good. I'm gonna be dreaming about getting a silver YouTube plaque in the mail one day. You'll be back with 500 tomorrow, so you can hit 2K. That would be crazy. You're gonna have to make a new email account and then connect it. That's a lot of work. But yeah, thanks for all the support, everybody. I really do appreciate it. Use code MBT every single night. Top 1 Lucid, funded dreams alive. 1 able pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer structure. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet.
MNQ is dirty, and the whole chat knows. Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot.
Alex, how long did it take me to be profitable? Well, technically, I'm not necessarily profitable yet, although I've taken payouts. The amount of money that I have put into prop firms and everything, I have not necessarily become profitable yet. So I'm hoping sometime in this year is going to be when I hit that. I need to make some more payouts here, and then I'll definitely be, I'm on my way basically. But between spending money on Bookmap and, TradeZella, plus I subscribe to like ASFX TV, which is a streaming service and an education channel, and then purchasing accounts and everything, I would say overall I'm still not necessarily profitable, although my trading has been very good lately, and I'm confident that I'm going to be able to take more payouts to get myself to that state. So like, for example, here's my month. I'm up to 10K on this month already, and we're only about halfway through. This is shaping up to be one of my better months. Like, I've had a killer trades, like 78% win rate, 66, 100%, 81, 92, 100, 100, 96.97, 89, 84, 100, 100. So I've been definitely trading really well, but like I said, I've spent more than what I've made. So I can't call myself a profitable trader yet, for full transparency, right? But like, for example, I made 16K last month, mostly all green, couple red days. But keep in mind that this isn't all funded accounts. A bunch of these are evals, because towards the end of towards the start of this year, I lost a bunch of funded accounts, and I've been basically like grinding, trying to get a bunch back. So I worked myself back up to 8 funded accounts now. So yeah, I mean, I've, like on the months where I've taken the payouts, those were definitely profitable months. But like I said, overall, the amount of money that I've taken out of with payouts doesn't make up the difference between what I've put into prop firms, right? Yeah, I mean, because I copy trade and everything, I do take, it seems like I take a lot more trades than I do, because sometimes it's like trading 5 accounts at once, and then also adding into it adds like another trade, so the trade numbers are skewed. But usually they're between 10 and 30 trades, but like I said, a lot of them are copy trades, so it's not always exact. It's hard to decipher how many trades per day I actually take, because I stopped doing my like write-ups on the days. But like, on the current month, like I've taken 28 trades this day, 26 trades, 15 trades, 33, 14, 15, 12, 66 trades, 28, 26, 18, and then 3. So this is actually 4 trades, because those Apex evals are not in my TradeZella. FEG don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? Kyle asked what AI made that beat. Meanwhile, market rips another 3 feet. That was I took a $3,000, but keep in mind, Mick, that it's copy trading, right? So if I go in long on 5 accounts with 1 micro, and then I add 1 micro, and then I add 1 micro, that's 3 trades. And then I sell 1 micro, sell 1 micro, sell 1 micro. That's 6 trades times 5 is 30, right? So it seems like a lot of trades, and a bunch of them are like break-even trades, but I wouldn't say like I necessarily like I didn't go crazy or anything. But when you're copy trading 5 accounts at a time, they can add up really quick, right? And it's just the way that TradeZella records it. Like I said, if you add into your trade with 1 micro at a time, like they count it as 3 trades if you add 3 micros. So that day I did take 66 trades, and I had a 96.97 win rate, but I took 2 large losing trades in a funded account. So I ended up having a break-even day by the end. So I took a max daily loss in 1 funded account, but then between other accounts that I was copy trading, I was able to make a little bit over $3,000 because that was my max daily loss in that account. So yeah, I mean it is a little bit more than I average take, but they're usually between 20 and 30. But like I said, copy trading, so it's hard to like get an exact trade number without doing write-ups. So yeah, there it is. So 1,500 and 1,501 subscribers tonight. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks for the support. It's been a fun day catching these longs. Hey, Lamthow's in the chat. Good evening. Market up so much tonight. Yeah, the news is what did it. So right here, Trump to soon confirm U.S. reached accord with Iran. And then Trump said the deal with Iran is now complete. And then Trump said after that, hereby fully authorize the toll-free opening of the Strait of Hormuz and simultaneously herewithin authorize the immediate removal of the United States naval blockade. So that's what the news was that sent the market into bull mode. And here we go. You don't like that pullback? No, it's normal. It's normal. Yeah, we'll find out tomorrow what Iran says on whether or not it's a deal. But it's the first time he said he's removing the blockade. So I don't know if that's truthful or not, but... Israel won't let the war end? I'm kind of wondering if this is going to be a long here, guys. I'm going to watch this VWAP here at the 500s. Use code MBT every single night. Top 1 Lucid, funded dreams alive. 1 Evo pass and the whole chat thrive. Chewy asking long or short from what? Answer, structure. FEG, don't guess the setup. Vertical stream got different songs. Handlers asking playlists, where's it from? So keep in mind, guys, that the contract did change, right? So if you guys are new and you haven't noticed, we are now on the MNQ 2026 contract. So if you're, oh, look at that, guys. It was the long. Damn it. I was literally about to try to buy that there. You think it's rebalancing before hitting week's high? Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember, if the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell. Damn it, I was a little slow on that. quick 20-point pop.
Charts up. Coffee hot.
I sent you the invitation on the long. Yeah.
Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market put you on the mic. Oil slippery. Gold heavy.
So guys, if you're interested or if you're wondering, anchoring a VWAP to the midnight candle is a really good idea. It gives you a good idea as to where price is off of the midnight, and then you can also do it at the noon, like the noon candle. If you guys ever watch the PFM prop firm match with T-Made, he often anchors. They call it the lunchbox VWAP, right? So it's a noon candle VWAP, and it comes into play pretty solid if you see it, right? We did find support there. We did break through it, but then as soon as we took it, there's a beautiful long there after that. And then look at that, we pulled back to it. Beautiful long right there. Whether or not this is going to break out higher, I mean, I'd probably be taking profits right now already, but that would have been definitely a nice entry right there. So yeah, on Eastern Standard Time, Chris. For me, it's a 9 p.m. candle. But yeah, just if you guys haven't changed your contract, make sure you're on the MNQ 2026. So guys, I made AI. I got AI to make some like instrumental songs, and check this one out. This is like the one that I made with violin. Oh, you think we're in the same time zone? Yeah. So it's right now it's 10:41 p.m. for me. I just don't want to log off now that we hit 1,500 subscribers, guys. You guys rock. 1,501 subscribers.
Well managed. Imagine that lone wolf blue say oil dumping fast. Meanwhile, Chris Spy hit TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty. NQ is dirty.
Yeah, violin goes hard, right? I love violin songs. So I was like, AI, please make me an instrumental song with violin. Make it like sort of like house, electronic, lo-fi mix or something like that. You guys want to see my nerdy glasses? Tell me which ones you guys like better. You like the blue ones, or do you guys like the orange ones?
Sometimes it dumps, sometimes moonshot goes, Mr. Move fine. Another one shows market, but you can't just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy.
You used to listen to lo-fi Bart Simpson vids? These ones make me look a little bit nerdy, don't they? Like,
trade like adults. Protect the evil.
maybe I look a little bit smarter with these ones on though. I don't know.
If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a bone and Campbell.
Okay, I got one more violin song here too. What was that?
Charts up, coffee hot, Bona candles loaded, Mustang trade in the pre-market, market put you on the mic, oil slippery, gold heavy.
We got one person watching in the vertical stream still. Who's there? Say something in the chat. Let me know who's there. Also, if you're new to the channel, would appreciate another subscriber. Help us stay above the 1,500, because usually when I log off, then by the morning we're gonna lose one at least.
Next candle ripping market acting crazy. Now it's not. While the breakout fly, then ask the room, ATH again tonight. Yo, Jim blab like ES session high. Then later screams, thank you, dirty with the smile. Past the Lucid val. Whoop, whoop, loud. Miss Kane 11 throwing trophies in the crowd. Ain't the season.
You're here just getting distracted with stuff.
Gotta trust your art. Pavan calling levels 81 too high. 585 break it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill. Cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat decide. Boner candle print and the bears are.
You like the sound? Some of the trance classic musical on YouTube is good too. Yeah. I concur. I got about 10 or 12 YouTube sort of like songs that are just like no lyrics. Like this one. I got a GTA style one. Mother's made a name, whole chat broke, Gary say Asia, hard to trust, one micro feels too much, real trader stuff, Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays, slow compounding while the futures rage, can't influence yelling ace pump, in chat, good tracks deep, well managed, imagine that, lone wolf blue say oil, dumping fast, meanwhile Chris Spy, ATH tomorrow blast, MNQ is dirty, 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 dirty. Okay, guys. Well, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Looks like we missed our potential long. We might be pulling back here again. Sort of holding the floor up here at the 520s at the moment. Right at the 14 EMA. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap it up here. I do need to get to bed so I can be up tomorrow morning for market open. So thanks a lot. Nobody's in the vertical stream. I'm going to shut that down right now.